Welcome to Top 50 Conversational Phrases in Indonesian. Hey guys, it's Liza, ghostwriting for Carl, because that's how we roll. Ready to unlock the magic of the Indonesian language? Buckle up because we're diving into the top 50 conversational phrases to chat like a local. We're keeping it super chill and fun, like a hangout sesh with your bestie. We'll break down each phrase, give you the scoop on when to use it, and maybe throw in some silly voices. Embrace those little mistakes and say, "Let's try that again," with a smile. Get ready to impress your friends with your newfound language skills. Let's do this. First up, Selamat pagi. It's how you say good morning before the sun even thinks about waking up. Apa kabar? Which means, how are you? It's like sending a little, "How's it going?" text to the universe, daily. Terima kasih, the ultimate gratitude spell. Seriously, Indonesians truly appreciate a heartfelt thank you. It means a lot to them. Chapter 4. Sama-sama. Sharing is caring. Sama-sama, the "you're welcome" of Indonesia. It means, we're in this together. Chapter 5. Tolong. The magic word for please. It's like adding a sprinkle of kindness to your requests. Chapter 6. Oops, I did it again. Maaf, your go-to for sorry, whether you bumped into someone or spilled your drink. Chapter 7. Permisi. Excuse me. Coming through. Permisi. Your guide for navigating crowded streets and politely interrupting others. Chapter 8. Saya. Tidak mengerti. Embrace the learning curve. Saya tidak mengerti, the learner's best friend. Never be afraid to admit when you need clarification or help. Chapter 9. Bisa bicara. Lebih pelan. Slow and steady wins the race. Bisa bicara lebih pelan. Requesting someone to slow down their speech for better understanding. Di mana kamar kecil? A lifesaver when nature calls. Trust me, you'll definitely need this phrase. Berapa harganya? Your secret weapon for unlocking those sweet, sweet deals. Master the art of negotiation and save big. Saya mau ini, confidently declaring your choice, whether it's food, souvenirs, or adventures. Embrace the moment and make it yours. Chapter 13. Apa ini? Curiosity didn't kill the cat, it learned Indonesian. Apa ini? Your passport to expanding your vocabulary. Embrace the unknown and discover new words. Chapter 14. Saya suka, spreading the love for all things amazing and wonderful in Indonesia, from culture to cuisine. Chapter 15. Saya tidak suka, because honesty is the best policy, but always with a gentle and kind touch. Bisa bantu saya? The universal call for help. Saya lapar, because food is life, and Indonesian food is next-level delicious. Let's dive in. Saya haus, the perfect phrase for when you need a refreshing coconut, a delicious teh tarik, or a cold drink. Chapter 19. Saya kapek, because even the most daring adventurers need a well-deserved break sometimes. It's time to recharge those batteries. Chapter 20. Saya sakit, even superheroes get sick. Chapter 21. Saya senang, because sharing joy and happiness with others is a truly beautiful thing. Chapter 22. Saya sedih, because sometimes you just need to embrace the feels and let yourself be vulnerable. Chapter 23. Saya marah, because anger is a natural emotion, but it's crucial to express it respectfully and constructively. Chapter 24. Saya bingung, because learning a new language can be a wild and unpredictable ride. Chapter 25. Saya takut, facing fears, one phrase at a time. Saya takut. It's okay to be afraid, and sometimes admitting it is the bravest thing you can do. Chapter 26. Saya cinta, kamu love knows no barriers. Saya cinta kamu, the most beautiful phrase in any language. Chapter 27. Saya rindu kamu distance makes the heart grow fonder, for those times when you're missing someone special. Chapter 28. Selamat tinggal, until we meet again. A heartfelt goodbye for those you'll see again soon. Chapter 29. Sampai jumpa. See you later, alligator. Sampai jumpa, a casual. See ya, for those everyday goodbyes and farewells. Chapter 30. Selamat datang, welcome to paradise. Selamat datang, the warmest way to welcome someone into your world. Chapter 31. Selamat malam, sweet dreams in Indonesian. Selamat malam, wishing someone a peaceful and restful night's sleep. Chapter 32. Selamat siang, sunshine and greetings. Selamat siang, because even midday deserves a little bit of love and warmth. Chapter 33. Selamat sore, golden hour. Greetings. Selamat sore, the perfect way to greet the sunset. Chapter 34. Apa yang terjadi? Unraveling the mystery. Apa yang terjadi? Because sometimes life throws you unexpected curveballs. Chapter 35. Apa yang kamu lakukan? The art of conversation. Apa yang kamu lakukan? A casual and friendly way to strike up a conversation and show genuine interest. Chapter 36. Di mana kamu tinggal? Getting to know you. Di mana kamu tinggal? A polite way to learn more about someone's life and where they reside. Chapter 37. Kamu dari mana? Celebrating diversity. The world is a beautiful tapestry of cultures. Chapter 38. Berapa umur kamu? Age is just a number. Berapa umur kamu? A common question in Indonesian culture, but always be mindful of personal boundaries and respect privacy. Chapter 39. Apa pekerjaan kamu? Professional curiosity. Apa pekerjaan kamu? A polite way to ask about someone's profession or job. Chapter 40. Kamu punya saudara? Because family is an important and cherished part of Indonesian culture and life. Chapter 41. Apa hobi kamu? A wonderful way to connect with someone over shared interests and passions. Chapter 42. Kamu suka music? Because music has the power to transcend borders and connect people from different cultures. Chapter 43. Kamu suka film? Because who doesn't love a good movie night with friends and family? Chapter 44. Kamu suka olahraga? Because sports have a unique way of bringing people together and fostering community spirit. Chapter 45. Kamu suka membaca? Because reading is a journey for the mind and soul. Join us at Bookworms Anonymous, where every page brings a new adventure. Chapter 46. Kamu suka memasak? Because food is love, and cooking is truly an art form. Join us as we explore the world of culinary mastery. Chapter 47. Kamu suka bepergian? The world is a book, and those who don't travel read one page. Kamu suka belajar bahasa? Because learning a new language opens up a world of endless possibilities and connections. Kamu suka menari? Because dance is a universal language of expression, connecting hearts and souls across cultures and generations. Kamu suka bermain game? Because gaming is a global phenomenon that connects people from all walks of life, everywhere. High five, language learners. We zipped through 50 Indonesian phrases to up your conversation game. Remember, practice makes perfect, or at least makes you sound cool trying. Grab your notebooks, put on your best I'm fluent in Indonesian attitude, and impress yourself. Terima kasih for joining me and Carl on this language adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun. Sampai jumpa.